Hey, here's a question. How much interest did you earn on your savings account last month? If you said zero or close to it, you're not alone and you're literally leaving free money on the table. Today, we're talking about high-yield savings accounts and why they might be one of the smartest moves you can make with your emergency fund or short-term savings. So let's start with the basics. A regular savings account at most big banks pays you basically nothing. We're talking like 0.01% interest. That means if you have $10,000 sitting there for a year, you'll earn about $1. $1. You'd make more money finding change on the street. A high-yield savings account is different. Right now, in 2025, you can find accounts paying 4 to 5% annually. That same $10,000 could earn you $400 to $500 just for letting it sit there. Same money, same effort, but dramatically different results. It's like having your savings account work for you while you sleep. Here's how it actually works. Banks take the money you deposit and lend it out. They charge other people interest on loans and mortgages. Then they give you a small percentage of what they earn as your interest. A high-yield savings account is basically when a bank decides to give you a bigger slice of that pie. Usually, this happens with online banks that don't have expensive physical branches, so they pass those savings on to you through better rates. Now, you might be wondering if this is too good to be true. Is your money safe? Yes, and this is crucial. These accounts are FDIC insured, which means the federal government guarantees up to $250,000 per account. So even if the bank completely fails, your money is protected. You're not taking on any risk here. This isn't investing in stocks or crypto. Your money is just earning a better return while being completely safe. So what's the catch? Well, there are a few things to know. First, the interest rates change. They're tied to the federal funds rate, which the Federal Reserve controls. So when the Fed raises or lowers rates, your account rate will likely follow. Right now rates are high, but historically they've been much lower. Second, some accounts have withdrawal limits, though that's become less common. And third, you might need to keep a minimum balance, though many good options have low minimums or no minimums at all. Let me give you some real numbers. If you're saving for an emergency fund, which should be 3 to 6 months of expenses, let's say that's $15,000. In a regular savings account earning 0.01%, after 1 year you'd have $15,000 and 1.50. In a high-yield savings account earning 4.5%, you'd have $15,675. That's $673.50 in free money just for switching accounts. And that's just in year 1. If you keep that money there for multiple years, the gap gets even bigger. The best part? Opening one takes like 10 minutes. You go online, fill out some basic information, link your bank account, and you're done. Your money transfers in a few days. There are no fees, no hidden charges, and no strings attached. Now, who should actually use one? If you have money sitting in savings that you might need within the next 1 to 3 years, a high-yield savings account is perfect. This includes your emergency fund, money for a down payment, vacation savings, or anything else you're setting aside but not investing. It's not for long-term wealth building, that's what investing is for, but for money you want to keep safe while earning a better return. One more thing, if you're using multiple accounts, remember that FDIC insurance covers $250,000 per account at each institution. So you could have $250K in one bank's high-yield savings and another $250K in a different bank's account, and both would be fully protected. This is actually a strategy people use when they have substantial savings. The bottom line? If your money is currently in a regular savings account, you're giving up free returns. High-yield savings accounts are safe, simple, and require almost zero effort. It's one of those rare financial moves that's genuinely a win-win. Your money is protected, accessible, and actually earning something. If this video helped you understand how high-yield savings accounts work, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward finance content. And here's your challenge, drop a comment below telling me your biggest money question. What financial topic confuses you most? I read every comment and love answering your questions. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Always consult a licensed financial advisor before making any financial decisions.